What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Before we dive into the video, as I'm editing it right now right here, I just want to give you guys a little brief on what's happening and make it a little bit more personal, so feel free to skip forward, or I just want to show you the real me and the authentic me, you know what I'm saying? So right here we have the beat making part that we'll go over. We're making like a little house beat, and then right here is the Tenerife part, which is super solid. I hope you enjoyed. I've been going through a lot in terms of like my business, YouTube. That's why I haven't been uploading as much, but I'm trying to stay consistent again. So love you guys so much, and I appreciate all of you. So big love and enjoy the video. Let's get it.
Is A soulmate won't arrive knowing all your secrets. A soulmate won't arrive knowing all your secrets. They won't understand your past with perfect clarity. A soulmate won't arrive knowing all your secrets. They won't understand your past with perfect. A soulmate won't arrive knowing all your secrets. They won't understand your past with perfect clarity. They'll learn you in small fragments. A soulmate won't arrive knowing all your secrets. A soulmate won't arrive knowing all your secrets. They won't understand your past with perfect clarity.
My old M&M's. We're on our way to grab lunch. What are we going to eat? Pancakes. Pancakes for some good breakfast. What's good, guys? We're currently in Tenerife and we're working remotely for a client. As you can see, beautiful out here and it's hot as fuck. I just wanted to shoot this video or vlog so to basically show you guys that what I've been doing and where I'm at, and my bad for not uploading so long or just like as inconsistent, but just different vibes going on, and it's literally just like different things going on. Yeah, we're in beautiful Spain. We're on the terrace eating some bruschetta or whatever the fuck it's called. I'm in my natural habitat state. I'm just about to cook up and let the creativity flow, you know what I'm saying? Bro, look where we at. We're about to play some good tennis. This is insane. Wow. This looks insane. I don't know if I'm good at tennis, but we'll see. Wait, is that a ball?
Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was a little bit more personal, but I still enjoyed putting the stuff out there to inspire someone. I got a lot more coming, gym content, business content, talking content, just in general, to make it a little bit more personal on the channel instead of just music, you know. And I just want to just inspire people. I feel like that's my purpose while I'm here on this earth, you know. That being said, also new music dropping soon. You guys got already a little teaser of the style and from what's coming, but I'm super excited to share this. And yeah, feel free to message me on Instagram if you have any questions, thoughts, ideas, or just want to talk. Skana Beats on Instagram, and catch you guys in the next video. Peace.